Hi there my lovely viewers and my very dear teacher friends. I'm back on my channel Epic English Tutorials once again, though after a long time, but you know that's how it is. Being a teacher is a Herculean task, especially when you are a mom of two and your children are studying as well, so YouTubing becomes a side business. No, never mind, whenever you get time you get to do that. But today I'm making this video especially for all my teacher friends because you've shown me so much of love on my videos about pedagogy, TLS videos, that is teachers licensing exam. I've got one of my videos, it's almost about to reach 4,000 views. That means I've been able to help almost 4,000 teacher friends. Alhamdulillah, I'm really thankful for that. First of all, I want to thank all of you for making it possible for me that I reached 1,000 subscribers, in fact more than that, because when I started my channel I had no idea that I'll even be able to reach 100. Though my specialty or my expertise lie in the field of being an English teacher, but I've seen that many people are responding me on my videos about TLS exam or the teachers licensing exam. So today I've come here particularly to answer your questions because Alhamdulillah, with Allah's help, I've been able to help almost so many teachers because they asked me for the notes about pedagogy exam, and I've shared with a lot of you, and most of you have thanked me so much in the form of comments in my email. Thank you so much for your love and for your appreciation and encouragement. Although I hardly get time to upload a lot, but whatever is possible I do that. So without any further delay, let's start the question answer session. I'll be using my laptop. So some of you asked me, one of the viewers, Jasmine Waller, she asked me 3 weeks ago, do we need to do this if we already have qualified teachers license from our country? So if you've checked the TLS website, they have already, if you see the website and you scroll down, they have already particular countries license mentioned there. So if you have one of them or you have a qualified teacher status, I think then they do consider, and do check out the frequently asked questions section in the on the TLS website. There also they've answered this question in detail. I think if you are from some of those countries who offer professional license, for example Ireland or Australia or Canada, I think your license is accepted here. However, to get a qualified teacher status here in UAE, you have to appear for 2 exams, that is pedagogy, and the second one is subject specialization, that is whichever subject is your specialty and you have done masters in. For that subject you have to appear in the exam. For example, I'm an English teacher, so I did the subject specialization exam for English, and it also depends on the cycle that you belong to. Are you a cycle 1 teacher, cycle 2 teacher, or cycle 3 teacher? Depending upon that, accordingly you will be given an exam about your subject. I guess the primary teachers or cycle 1 teachers, they have to appear for ECD, and cycle 2 teachers have similar subject specialization exam as well as pedagogy, and similarly cycle 3 teachers also have a subject specialization exam as well as the pedagogy exam. So I hope Jasmine Waller you got your answer. Another person recently commented, Mr. Vinay Kumar, 3 days ago. He mentioned that, Miss, I have 30 days time. How could I get into it? What is the passing score for pedagogy? So let me tell you that pedagogy has 4 standards. So basically you must at least get the passing percentage in all the standards. So if you've seen my video about TLS pedagogy, a complete beginner's guide, I've shown you the 4 domains of the 4 standards. So you have to pass in each standard. You have to get the passing percentage. If you don't get that, then you get the red area. They've color coded your result. If all areas are green in all 4 standards, that means you have fully passed it. But they are very considerate. In case you haven't passed it and you are below expectations, then that area is orange. But in case that area is red in any one of the standards, that means you haven't passed that particular area, and you might end up not passing the exam completely if you don't pass in all 4 standards. So it's better you see the percentage. Go to my video, I'll paste the link in the I button. You check it out where I have explained the 4 standards. you have to have the passing percentage in all the 4 standards, but they are very considerate. It's okay to get below average marks, but it's not considered good to completely fail in that. So that is how I thought I should answer your question. I hope you are satisfied. Just see the 4 domains of 4 standards. You must pass in each domain. Asma Batul asked me 3 months ago, I think, thanks a lot for such informative video. Please guide me about teaching license for Saudi Arabia. I have a friend who was a teacher here with me in UAE, but she shifted to Saudi. So far, I haven't heard that there is any teaching license there, because she is still a practicing teacher in a very good school, but she hasn't appeared for any teacher's licensing exam so far. In case there is and I come to know, I would definitely let you know. Then there is another viewer, Pushpa Shikha. She asked me, from where do we get the study materials? A very good question which many people have asked me in my videos. Well, unfortunately, they are not available in an assembled form anywhere, but you have to go through all the standards, all the descriptors, and you have to either Google them or you have to YouTube them. I've made already my notes, and I've been able to help, I think, more than 100 teachers, because in my comment section they write to me, please share your study material, and I write them back immediately that email me on my email address for this channel, and I'm going to share my notes with you. And I've been able to almost help more than 100 teachers in this way, and I've made almost more than 100 friends from all over UAE from different schools, for which I really feel great, because helping others is my passion. In whatever capacity I can help, I would definitely do that. So study materials are not ready-made available anywhere. You have to gather them, you have to assemble them, you have to make an effort. Go through all the standards, watch my video. I have explained all the standards pertaining to all those standards. You need to collect plenty of material as well as quizzes. Another viewer of mine asked me, Alfia Juzra, that all these series, how to get the material. Unfortunately, no ready-made course is available, no material is available in an assembled form that, okay, this is the booklet and you can study it and pass the TLS pedagogy exam. But you have to fish for it, you have to hunt for it. You can either Google it, you can either check on YouTube, and you have to practice a lot of quizzes related to those theories. Only then you can make it happen. Only then you can pass the TLS exam fully. So I hope I answered your question, and I've already shared plenty of material in the form of question answers. If you've seen my channel, you can practice those questions as well as an additional practice. Then she also asked me that there's another viewer, Zohaib Khan, and he asked me, kindly describe or suggest the reading material for all the levels. Is there any course online or suggested reading material for the preparation for the teacher's license? Please help us also. So many people have a similar question. No such thing is available actually. So what you can do, you can just make a list of all the topics given in the study guide, pedagogy study guide, and pertaining to that you can collect your notes. And as I told you, I've been able to help more than 100 teachers by sharing my own notes with them. If you want, you can email me on my channel's email address. It's mentioned in the comment section, and many people have already commented me, and I've been able to help almost more than 100 teachers. I feel blessed to do that. I've made so many friends because of that all over the UAE, and I'll keep on doing that. So that was a short video answering your questions. So I hope you are satisfied, and I'll continue doing that. In case you need any other help and you need more questions, you need more help, do let me know in the comment section what are the areas that you need my help on, and I'll definitely address those issues. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you really take good care of yourself, subscribe and share my channel in your circle of friends. And I also have plenty of videos about IELTS speaking and IELTS writing. Do check out those, because in future we'll have to appear for IELTS exam to get our language proficiency test. It's definitely going to be extremely helpful. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. See you.